Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about JD.com shopping app. Quite a lot number of people have been contacting me about login in issue on JD shopping app. For every time they are trying to log into the app, it always requires Chinese phone number before they can successfully log in into their JD shopping app. So if I click on my profile icon right here, you see my full dashboard right here, which shows you that I have successfully logged into this particular JD shopping app. And I decided to make a video to share the trick with you on how you can easily sign in to your JD shopping app without using Chinese phone number. Let me show you the simple trick. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Edufish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you have WeChat app successful install on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. After you have your WeChat app, go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Have you opened up your WeChat app? Proceed to me. Then go ahead and click on Pay and Services. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Specials. Now you are in your JD shopping app on WeChat app right here. However, if you are logging into JD shopping app through WeChat for the first time, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on here. So when you click on here, it's going to take you to a page whereby you just need to verify your WeChat account. Once you verify your WeChat account, you will be taken straight into your JD shopping app, just like what you see right here. So if I exit from my JD shopping app on WeChat and I decide to go back to the JD main shopping app right here, and I go to my profile, you see that my ID still remains the same, just like what you see right here. So if I go back to the WeChat ID options, you still have it the same way. So you can see this one starts with I3, and this one also starts with I3 right here. You can see everything still the same, and I was able to have access to my JD shopping app through WeChat app. It's that simple. So this is how to solve the problem of Chinese phone number require. If you download your JD shopping app from Google Play Store on Android, or you download from App Store on iPhone, it always asks you to verify your Chinese phone number. And as a non-Chinese speaking, there's no way you can get a Chinese phone number. And the only way you can have access to your JD shopping app is to go through your WeChat app. It's that simple. With that, you will bypass Chinese phone number verification for direct access on JD shopping app. You only need to verify your WeChat number when you access JD shopping app through your WeChat app. It's that simple. Then from here, you can search for product from different store in this particular app right here. The same features you have in your WeChat app where you access your JD app is the same feature you have on the main JD shopping app that you download from Play Store or on App Store without any stress. So it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import product from China using JD shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.